Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and Happy New Year. So I don't know if it's the new year or it's the cold weather or whatever, but I'm just feeling kind of lazy when it comes to my hair now. And so I'm going to do a crocheted style that I hope will be really flattering, something a little different. So I found this hair on Amazon, and I'm going to do a quick screen grab of the company so that if you're interested, you'll have the info. But I decided on a gray, and not really a gray, it's more like a slate. It is one beautiful color. Let me show it to you. Isn't she stunning? So you got all these beautiful flecks of gray and black in here. And if you look at her in the sunlight, you can almost see like an opalescent kind of shine to her where you see different colors. It's really quite pretty. And the camera's not doing it much justice. Now, the color kind of goes to my laziness theme in the sense that, as you can see, the gray hairs are coming in. I had my hair cornrowed several weeks back, and I just don't feel like coloring my hair. I just don't feel like it. I want something that's going to celebrate this beautiful gray going through and work with it and complement it. So we're going to work with this color and see what now this gorgeous hair comes in a pack of 8, and it is very soft. Feels like it's going to be a dream to wear. I'm not worried about the texture so much for this pre-washing as much as I am. There is a mild, and I do mean mild, odor, and we're going to try to eliminate that. But I think the hair comes to you in really very good condition. And so I'm going to take a mild moisturizing shampoo. And then we'll just leave these guys in here for about 10 or so minutes just to refresh them. So before I get started, I want to give my scalp and my hair some love. We're going to start off with the L'Oreal Everpure Scalp Care and Detox Scrub. It's made with apricot kernels and menthol, so I'm expecting hopefully a gentle scrub for my scalp to help detox and cleanse away some of the debris, the products that I've used. And I'm really looking forward to a nice kind of minty, fresh feel. Not the best smell, not the worst smell if you're someone who's into that. Very finely milled scrubbing, and the cream part of this feels absolutely luxurious. So now I'm going to use the balls of my fingers to just gently massage this in, and I can already feel this kind of minty coolness. Feels really good. I was concerned that the kernels, the apricot kernels, would be really abrasive, but this is very soft. One of the softest scrubs I've ever used, and I never thought I'd say this. I really prefer something with just a little bit more friction to it. This product is sulfate free and safe for color treated hair. Okay, I'm going to go rinse this out, and then I'm ready for my next step. Now for cleansing, I'm going to use the As I Am Dandruff Co-Wash. I adore this product, even though dandruff isn't a big issue for me, but it is enriched with olive oil and tea tree oil. Very nourishing, very moisturizing, and it also gives that wonderful minty feel. To leave it on for about 5-10 minutes, really get the feel of it. For my scalp, I will be using my Moroccan oil. So that light washing that I did was just perfect. Got rid of every trace of the odor. This hair is just so soft. It's just baby soft. And I really like the way when I soaked the hair, a lot of residual, there was no residual dye that came off. The water was clear. I was very impressed with that. So each of the bundles comes like this. I cut the little tie off of it. And you can easily break these off into little clusters. What I'll do is I'll take it and divide it in half, and then keep dividing halves until I get down to a kind of single thing like that. Now it's nice to work with these. It's also nice to double these up and work like that. And so as you can see, kind of halfway through, I'm not going to bore you with the process. When I come back, we'll have the finished look. All right, guys, I am just in love with the finished look. This hair came out so full, and it was just easy to apply. Could not have asked for anything better. Now, this does look very similar to a style I did not too long ago with hair from Shein. I think it was more blonde than this. I am a sucker for curls, and especially curls that get bigger and fuller as time goes by. I'm not going to lie about that. I have to say though, I really like the texture of this hair, or shall I say the softness of this hair even better. Feels great on the scalp, very airy. Just really a joy to work with. And the color, I think I'm going to go gray more often. I'm trying to see if I can zoom in so you can really see. Normally I would do a little color up job for my roots, but I said we're not doing that. I mean, you know, this is 62 in action. Let us just enjoy being 62 for a moment. And this blended so beautifully with my natural hair color. So I am in love. Please visit that Amazon store, guys. If you're interested in the gray, I hope the gray is back in stock. If not, keep searching. But you can find this style in so many different stores, wherever you go. But for me, gray is where it's at right now. And thank you so much for joining me. Please stay blessed in everything. Happy New Year. Wishing you a safe, prosperous, and blessed 2024.